Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix screen recording record black screen on iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to iOS new update after you can see also screen recording record black screen on iPhone and iPad. Now the iPhone and iPad users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. This video I give you some solutions for fixing this issue. Now first one solution is most important. The solution is restart your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all find out the settings app. Now open it. Now scroll down and tap on the general. In general last option is shutdown. Now please make sure tap on it. Now slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad. This way too you can easily restart your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. Now the second one solution is most important. The solution is force restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, if you using iPhone 13 series, 12 series, 11 series and X series, now first of all tap on the volume up button, then tap on the volume down button and also press and hold the power on off button at the same times. When the Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release all the buttons and easy to restart your iPhone and iPad. If you using iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, then first of all tap on the volume down button and also press and hold the on off button at the same times. When the Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release all the buttons and easy to restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, this way too you can easily iPhone 4 restart to fix your problems on your iPhone and iPad. If your first and second solution is not working, then go for the third one solution. So guys, now third one solution is most important. The solution is check your screen time settings. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now first of all open the settings app. In settings app now scroll down and tap on the screen times. In screen time you can see also content and privacy restrictions. In the content and privacy restrictions now options is available is content restriction. So guys, now please make sure tap on it. Now scroll down and select the screen recording. If you select the don't allow, so guys now please make sure allow in your iPhone and iPad. This way too you can easily fix your problems. I will show you fourth large solutions for this issue fixing on your iPhone and iPad. The solution is reset all settings. Now first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general second last option is transport and reset iPhone. Now please make sure tap on it. Now first option is reset. Now again tap on the first one is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. This all the settings is apply on your iPhone and iPad easy to fix your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Thank you so much.